Hello guys. In this video I am going to review the EKSA H1 wireless trucker headset, which is designed for truckers, call centers, construction sites, and warehouses. Featuring a variety of features such as noise cancelling and Bluetooth compatibility, this headset is versatile and comfortable. In order to get the most out of this review, let's see what is included in the box. There are 4 items included inside the box: a user manual, Type-C charging cable, carrying pouch, and the wireless headset itself. Since I conduct many telephone conferences and sometimes have to do them in the car, these headphones have been very helpful to me. There were times when clients complained that they could not hear me or complained about the noise outside. The headphones solve those problems. However, I don't like how the volume can't be raised a little higher. I also appreciate that they are strong and not fragile like other headsets. They have a great cushion around the ears, which make them comfortable to wear for long periods of time. The EKSA H1 headset features an ultra-long wireless range up to 30 meters away for better connectivity, faster transmission, and better stability. 3 buttons provide easy control of music, volume, and mute. Overall, these are fantastic headphones that provide great sound quality and a comfortable fit. I highly recommend them.